the Hostage Adventure.
Starring?
Me and Rihanna.
So what are you doing?
We're doing more. We're gonna see which one sinks or not.
Okay, let's go check it out.
Can you open this? Open, open, open.
These are your boats that you made?
Yes. Open, open, open. These two are the biggest. And open, open, open.
What do you want me to open?
This is Daddy's.
The Orbees?
Put them in. Put them in.
Okay, you dump them in. Hold on. Wait, don't dump them in yet. Let's go from this side so we can see. You go on that side. Go ahead.
So colorful, right, guys?
You guys have some grass in here.
I know. How colorful is this?
Alright, so let's put the boats in.
First, let's see Daddy's.
That's the USS Daddy. That's the big one.
Daddy's is safe. Mine is safe.
What else do you have? Let's see what else.
Do you vote for anyone that's gonna sink?
Well, let's see what other ones you have.
Okay. I have this one.
Which you cut yourself.
Yes. And let's see how many of those it can carry.
Well, the marbles are heavier, right?
Let's see if it can carry a lot of water.
Try the lid of the Orbeez container.
Huh?
Get the lid.
We'll try this.
That has a crack, but go ahead, try it. Now, how many could you put on before it sinks?
So many. What if
Oh,
we could...
there it goes.
Nope, it sunk. It sunk at like 50 something.
Oh, Daddy, try his boat.
Yours is not going to be able to fit them.
There's no place in the back for them.
Yeah.
Let's tilt it. So dump them on now.
Huh?
Dump them in. Let's see how many can we hold.
Okay, let go.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it tips over.
Yeah,
There's nothing holding the back.
Okay. Let's try this one.
But that has nowhere to put things. See, everything's just gonna fall off.
I know. Since it's tipped. How do you like it, guys?
Oh, I like this marble.
I know. There's two.
Where's the other one?
This. This one floats.
Boom.
Let's try all of these. Boom.
Boom.
Wait a minute, let's try this one.
I don't know where the other big marble is.
I gotta
Oh,
find
this one's pretty.
Oh,
I like this one. Oh, the orange?
Oh.
I like this white one.
Ugh. Oh, nothing happened. Last but not least, this little one. Not bad.
So let's see how many you can put on this before this.
Oh, this one
It'll put on gently. You
is
can't
gonna fall easily.
Oh, you put the two big marbles on. Oh, there it goes.
See? Falls easily. But what about with just the two big marbles?
What about this? Try this, and then this. Oh no, it's tipping over already. Has to be balanced, boys. It's not balanced. These two big ones are screwing everything up.
I want these. I want these. Okay, let go.
All right, you have to be gentle now. It's gonna tip over. It's gonna tip.
No, it's not.
It's not balanced. Good job, Brian.
Balance. It's not untipping over. There we go. Not tipping over now.
Good job, boys. Thumbs up, Brian.
Is that thumbs up?
Brian, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Oh.
Oh, son. You have to be gentle.
Okay. Now. Let's see. Now.
Now what?
Now we're gonna vote for which one is your favorite.
I know which one my favorite is.
Who says this is the favorite?
That's
Who
my
says that?
that's my favorite.
Who do you think this is? Oh, who likes this? Me.
Rian does.
Who likes this? Me. Who likes this? Me. Stop saying that.
I like that
Who
one.
likes this?
I like that one.
Me. Because I made it. Who
Okay.
likes this?
I like that one as well.
Who likes this?
It's a little too small.
Rihanna made it. It's a great start for Rihanna. But it just tips, that's all. Because it's not balanced. It needs to be
So how would you make that balance?
like that.
Or would you put a piece on each side?
No, we don't have any more pieces. We throw them in the garbage. What? That's already falling. Oh yeah.
So it's not being balanced, that's why.
What are you doing?
Oh, we forgot to bring bubbles.
Huh?
So if you let some air out, you can lift it up, see?
Then what?
When the water, when the seal breaks, it all comes out. Watch. Fill it up a little bit, turn it over, and now we can lift it up until the seal breaks.
I got it.
Look, ready? Oh, you broke it. You have to be gentle.
I think I can do the same.
Do it gentle. Ready? Gentle. Slowly.
Here,
Stop. Oh,
watch this.
you can't bring it all the way up, Rian.
Like that,
Flip it over.
and then boom.
Now lift it up slowly. You'll feel the water come up, see? And then when it breaks the seal, lift up a little more. See?
Cool. Let's see if this can do it.
Do what?
What we just did.
No, the walls aren't, it's not airtight. See the cracks? There's cracks in it.
Wait, Vivian. Oh yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, now for a new experiment.
Oh, Rian, don't get yourself wet, please. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd the Orbeez go? No Orbeez left behind, boys. Tell them what we're doing.
So,
I'll hold. What are we doing?
we're gonna dump this on the cars, baking soda. Then we're gonna take some vinegar, which is behind our little brother, Leon. And then we're gonna see if it can cover the cars.
All right, let's set the camera up. In a good spot. Yes, sweetie. Put the Camaro and the Mercedes in. Put some baking soda on top of them. Or should we put the baking soda under them? Under?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's put some baking soda here.
A lot. So it's gonna make a big eruption. Oh, and that's it?
Hold on, please. More? That's good, okay. So put, all right. So you're gonna pretend they're stuck in the sand?
Yeah. And then we're gonna pretend that it's raining.
Stand back, Rian.
Yeah! Yeah!
So you want to dump it all at once or little by little?
All at once.
All at once?
Yeah.
Okay. Around the sides or straight down the top?
Doesn't matter.
Huh?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
They're gone.
Don't touch me. Wait.
Disgusting. Oh. Let me give them a car wash.
Now take him to the car. The car wash is here.
I don't go.
Oh, give him one. Give him one.
I don't go. I don't go. Oh. This one is mostly clean. That's the dirty one. Dad, should we pretend that they're driving and then just drive into one of those?
You're driving through snow?
Now they need to go into the wash. Ow, Leon! Oh, man.
That one's covered in snow. Look at that.
Which one?
The Mercedes. It's just sliding around in the snow.
This?
Yeah, that's the Mercedes.
My Camaro is not. Oh, Dad. Pretend that they're driving, and then. Whoa, what's the road? What's happening?
Oh, you crashed. You crashed. You crashed.
Hi, Mom. We're gonna take this and
What is
dump
it?
a little here,
Mhm.
and then we're gonna take the vinegar and dump it on.
And what's that gonna happen?
Then it's gonna make it a rock.
It's gonna be like a fizzy road.
Yeah. Put him here. No, don't give me like everywhere. Like it doesn't have to be all in a circle. It can be like outside. Make it be outside stuff. And this too. This
I
too.
think that's good.
Yeah.
So where are your cars driving?
So we're gonna pretend that they're driving on the road. Whoa.
And what happens when they're driving on the road?
Then you pour the.
Oh, you got. Oh, hold on. Put it back. Put it back. Why don't Rian? No,
No.
Rian, you're wasting the baking soda, sweetie.
But it keeps getting.
I'll show you a better idea, Rian.
Then keep them on.
Rian. We're gonna go to a vinegar car wash. Let's do a vinegar car wash.
Sure.
Rian, stop using that water. Use this. This is gonna be the car wash water. So when you dump in here, it's gonna fizzle.
Or can we just dump it in here?
Go, dump it in. Watch. No, it's not. Wait. Watch. Go, Rian. Dump it in.
Oh.
It's a vinegar car wash. Your turn, son.
It's not doing anything.
It's coming up, see? So now you can dump it out.
That's fizzy. Disgusting.
The car in there? Yes, go ahead.
Okay, now we must observe.
What are we observing?
We must
Tell me what you want to do first.
put a little more. Then we're gonna see what happens if we pour that out. No, wait, it's probably not gonna make it.
It won't do anything because it's just water. You have to pour the vinegar on it. So tell me what you want to do.
So
You
we're
don't do
gonna
it here
take
because it's
this.
wet already. Find a dry spot.
Take this, dump it here. It's not bad. I need another bucket
Why do you need a bucket for?
for my project. Here's a car wash. Like one that's this size. Here's the hood. I already have one. No.
What are you trying to do?
So you know what we're gonna do? Take a bowl. Keep it in your hand. We need a bucket.
Or
And
How
then
about-
we put
how about you hold
vinegar in it.
you hold vinegar in your hand and I pour vinegar in your hand? Pour baking soda in your hand.
No.
Yeah, that. Oh, Rihanna, come here. That'll be good.
No.
Rihanna will like that.
No.
Bend down, Rihanna.
Put it on here.
Sit down, put it in your hand so it fizzles in your hand.
Fine, I'll do it.
Okay, sit down. Sit back so people can see us.
Hi guys. Let's see what this means.
Gotta wait. Silly plane.
Huh?
Silly plane.
Oh, ow.
Alright, so put your hands out. Put your feet away. You don't want to get on your shoes. Oh, Rihanna, don't sit in the water, baby. You sat in the water. It's okay. We'll change inside.
No, I don't need to
Wipe
change.
your bum.
See, I don't need to change.
Bend down on your knees, on your feet. Yeah, just like that.
I'm sitting because
A little bit for Shahan.
Hi, Mommy.
Alright. Alright, hold on now. Don't move.
Hi, Mom.
You tell what's going to happen now. What do you think's going to happen?
He's gonna erupt.
Alright.
And he's busy.
Who's first?
Me. Yeah.
Ready, Rihanna? Yeah. Hold on, son.
Oh, that tickled.
Go wash your hand in the water.
More.
That's it. No more there. Go wash your hand in the water.
Do it again.
Huh?
Put it on here. Come on,
We're gonna get the boat.
That do it like everywhere. That like all around, all around. That all around.
Hmm?
All around. Like on the clothes and stuff. Oh, yeah, on the clothes, on the clothes. It'd be better.
It's snowing. It's snowing.
Like get the back and stuff.
Okay, hold on. Don't stop touching, sweetie.
You must have seen.
What are we observing? You okay?
The whole loss.
No, don't dump that yet, sweetie. Yes.
You pulled! Ah! It's raining.
Not yet, Rihanna. Not yet.
No. Now can I? Wait. Now!
I think he's bringing. No, because your Orbees are all gonna fall out.
Huh?
Put the cars in the big container.
Huh?